Namaste, welcome to cookmydish.in. We are a country where we love all our snacks, our little knickknacks, our chips, our farsans, our chivdas, our chaknas, you know what I'm saying? But one of the most popular things for Gujarat are their farsan, dry snacks which they love to snack out all the time. One such popular one is called muthia. Muthia actually means a fist. So these are literally like small fist size which are either steamed or they are fried or sometimes they are formed together and lightly poached in the curry. But we are going to be doing some fried nice methi muthia. Let's start it. For the methi muthia, obviously we're going to need some chopped methi, which is fenugreek leaves. So they have been chopped up very coarsely. To which we're going to add a little bit of besan ka flour or thoda gehu ka flour, whole wheat flour. Definitely some seasoning with some salt, some garam masala, some chili paste. We're going to add some ginger paste, a little bit of turmeric powder, a pinch of sugar. Sugar is almost used in every dish in Gujarat because they like that after like a slightly sweet element in their food. So we're going to add a little bit of sugar as well into this. Mix this up, just add a little bit of water and make a nice soft dough. I'm going to be adding a little bit of lemon juice into this as well. So now we're going to put this together and we're going to try and knead this up into a nice soft dough. Now we got to rest this dough for about 15 to 20 minutes, after which we shape it and then we're going to shallow fry it in some nice hot oil and enjoy our muthias with a nice green chutney. Our dough is finally ready. Now what we're going to do is you have a choice. Either you can make it into balls, flatten them, but I'm going to be doing small shapes like little croquettes, so they look like little fingers. Okay? So I'm going to be making some nice small croquettes like this with my dough and then shallow frying it in some nice medium hot vegetable oil. Let's give it a test to see if the oil is hot enough. I'm just going to put just a small piece as a tester. Yes, I think it's ready. Great. So let's start frying them. Fabulous. Just going to give it a little check. Yes. Very nice. I'm going to turn these a little bit to make sure they're nice and light brown in color. The methi gives a fabulous flavor to it. Methi is very good for you. It's been used since the good ancient times. दवाइयों में भी मेथी यूज करते हैं आजकल. It's a very therapeutic herb as well. And as I told you, you don't have to really fry. आपको ये मुठिया फ्राई नहीं करना है necessarily. आप इसको स्टीम भी कर सकते हो, पोच भी कर सकते हो, और उसको स्लाइस भी करके chilled भी खा सकते हो. This can be eaten hot or cold. But I'm going to be serving this nice with a nice green chutney, a perfect snack for a cup of tea. ये किसी को भी आप चाय पे बुलाओगे, this is a must-do recipe for you. Once they start coloring on either side, you have to make sure that you're completely playing with the temperature. Anything to do with frying, you have to be very smart with what you do with your oil. Because if you start frying something in cold oil, your food is going to get extra oily, it's going to absorb a lot of oil. But also at the same time, if your oil is very hot, you're going to completely burn your food products and inside they're going to be completely raw. So please watch out. Okay, so it's time to take the muthias out. Drain them onto some grease-proof paper or some kitchen towels. Perfecto. Nice, perfectly fried. Let the excess oil drain. Let me check my muthia. Fabulous. It's time to plate up. I've got some very nice green chutney being made over here, which I'm going to be served with the muthia. थोड़ा सा चटनी इसके ऊपर भी डाल देते हैं हम. So now we have some बारीक कटे हुए capsicum also on the top as a garnish. मेथी मुठिया, 1 cup chopped fenugreek मेथी, 1/3 cup whole wheat flour, 1/3 cup besan, half a tablespoon of ginger, green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon oil, salt to taste. Other ingredients, oil for greasing. For the methi muthia, obviously we're going to need some chopped methi, which is fenugreek leaves. We're going to add a little bit of besan ka flour, thoda gehu ka flour, some salt, some garam masala, some chili paste. We're going to add some ginger paste, a little bit of turmeric powder, a pinch of sugar. Mix this up. Just add a little bit of water. I'm going to be adding a little bit of lemon juice into this as well. Try and knead this up into a nice soft dough. Now we got to rest this dough for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to shallow fry it in some nice hot oil and enjoy our muthias with a nice green chutney. So, nice methi ka muthia, delicious, beautiful, crunchy, only on cookmydish.in. Thank you.